Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Nrityasaara. We have already learned the first 4 steps of Nattadavu. In today's episode, we will be doing the remaining 4 steps of Nattadavu. Nattadavu is little bit challenging towards the end. Like even from the 3rd and the 4th step, it is difficult. And then again the 7th and the 8th step is a little bit more difficult. So see to it that you practice very well with your first speed especially so that you can get through the 3rd speed with proper alignment and correctly. We will start with the footwork of the 5th Nattadavu. So your leg goes, right leg in front, Natta. It's not the side, it's the front. Then you will bang your left, bring back your right and bang again, left bang. And then like your first Nattadavu on your right and then your left. We'll see that how to do it. Get into Almati. Now your right leg in front. Like Natta. See to it that you don't sway around while you take your right leg ahead like this. Okay, you should sit back on your left leg. And your left leg stays in Aramati. Your thigh is rolling up. Bang your left, tuck, tuck, thigh, ki, ya, ha. Right arm, tuck, tuck, thigh, ki, ya, ha. Now with your hands, you roll Kataka Mukha in both the hands, your elbows lifting up. And then, while you bring your right leg in front, you will push your both hands ahead and bend. See to it that while bending, you don't fall. Okay, your back is not arching, your hands are not moving. It goes like tight. You should keep lengthening your back. Right? And see to it that most of us, what we do is we just close in our hands. See to it that it's opening and it's pointing downwards. And keep rolling your shoulders back. Don't arch or cave in your shoulders. Don't go into your neck, don't go into your shoulders. So it's like somebody is pulling you from down. So you go, thigh, you, like that. Hope that it's clear. So we will go thigh, you, and bang. And then bang, bang, thigh, you, tuck, tuck, thigh, ki, ya, ha. Now we'll try and join both the hands and legs. Okay? Kick, ta, 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 thigh, you, and your left, right bang, and left. Again, thigh, you, ta, ta, left side. Now left side begins. Thigh, you, ta, ta, thigh, ki, ya, ha. Left, you, ta, ta, right, you, ha, ha. It is possible that you may not get your back flat for the first time. It's okay. Don't try and bend too much and compromise on your flat back. Rather, you can hold how much you can and just bend slightly so that your back remains flat. We do the 5th step in all 3 speeds. Up sitting, ta, 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 you. See, this should not happen. Open your wrist. Open. Yeah. Okay, we'll open our wrist straight. Let me straight. Yeah. See, this looks far better than the clenched hands. And ta, ta, ha, ta, yum, ta, ta, ki, ya, ha, ta, yum, ta, ta, ki, ha, ta, yum, ta, ta, ki, ta, 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 yum, ta, ki, ha, ta, yum, ta, ta, ki, sa, ta, yum, ta, is similar to the fifth one. Just that instead of doing the bang, bang, you're doing cross bang. Like tayyum, tatta. In the fifth we did bang and bang. Right? So in the sixth we'll be doing cross bang. Only that is the difference in the footwork. Okay? The hands are different. We'll first do the footwork and then do it with the hands. Ready? Get into Aramandi. Kick, ta, ta, ka, right and bang. And cross your right leg behind, bang your left. Now, right out and bang and left and bang. Left side, left and bang your right. Left cross, bang your right. Left out, bang and right out, bang. Now with your hands, you hold your Tripataka Hasta. Hold your Tripataka, elbows lifting up. Now you go tight you. You'll open your left hand into Natyadavu and right hand you'll stretch. Okay? Then you'll bang your left leg. Then you'll take your right leg, right hand above your head. Yeah. See to it that you don't collapse your elbow like this and it falls like a diamond shape. Okay? And then while you bang your front leg, you'll pull your right hand down. This is while you bang and then again side. You ta ta side. Keep ya ha. Now we will combine our hands and footwork together and do it. Now the sixth step in all three speeds. Tick ta ta ka ta you ta ta he ha. Yum ta he left side yum ta he ha yum ta he ta ta ka yum ta he ha yum ta he sa yum ta he ha yum ta he ta thank you thank you thank you thank you don't get up thank you thank you It is possible that in the third speed you may not be able to perform as good as your first and second speed. But see to it that you don't do your chapati flipping. You try and make the flip with the help of your elbows. And the same with the back and other legs. You should practice very well your first and the second speed so as to get into your third speed correctly. Now we will do the footwork of the seventh step. Get into half sitting. Now you'll keep your right leg in front. Tai yum. Ta ta. Now you'll cross your right leg behind. Tai hi ya ha. Now you're going to jump on your toes. Straight. So see to it that your feet is joined. Join your feet, Michelle. Join. Yeah. Now jump. Jump. Yeah. You jump on your toes. Then you will bang your left leg back and lift your right. So again, show that toes, jump on the toes. You will jump on your toes and bang and lift. So the jumping is one tala and bang and lift is again just one. So you will tie it. It goes in one tala. Okay? So jump and ta ta. Then you will get into full sitting, Mudumandi. Tai, he, and then press your heel, and then you get into half sitting. Now, while doing your Mudumandi, you have to see to it that on your heel, on your toes, sorry. Yeah. See that there is a gap between your heel and your bum. and that you don't sit on your knee. How do you sit? You don't do this. Okay, this will eventually hurt your knees. So always keep a gap between your heel and your bum. Now get up. Yeah. While getting up, you'll again press your heel and then lift your body up. Now with the hands, your hand goes Katakam, your elbows lifting up. Your Katakam goes into Alapadma. So see to it that you lift completely and then stretch it up. So it's not just like so. You just lift it completely and stretch out your hands as much as possible. So there is length between your middle finger and middle finger of your right hand. It is completely stretched. Okay. So we'll try it with our footwork also, Michelle. We'll try it along with our footwork. So your hands, Katkamka. Okay. Sit. Tap. Ka. Tai. Yo. See. Now she went like this. See to it. Come back. Come back. Okay. See to it that you open up completely. Because Tai. Yo. And your head and neck is straight. Looking down. It's not like this. It's not turned anywhere else. Like this. Again, a flat back. Again, kick. Ta. 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 Tai. Yum. Ta. Ta. Then, hold it. Then you will take your right hand behind and cross it like this. Your right hand is holding the Suchi Hasta and your left is holding Mushti. Okay, sit nicely. Sit in Swastika. Yeah. So you have to keep rolling your thighs out and then bang your leg. Ta, ta. Now jump. Tai. Yo. Ta. Ta. When doing tata, it's not a sweep from below. It's just a close. So you not hold your katkamukha like this and then go from below. You will rather bring it into a close. It's not a circular motion. You just close it with the help of your elbows. Lift your elbow. Okay. Then again your Alapadma opens up into this movement. Pata. And then you will press your heel, come up into half sitting. Ta, ta, ka, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, left side, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, ki, ta, 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 tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ma, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha. Now the 8th step. This is the last step of Nattadavu. So we'll do the footwork first. Get into Aramati. Okay. Now lift your leg. Tai, yo. Sing. Ta, ta. Bang. Now you'll keep your toe onto the ground and stretch. Okay, see to it that this knee is lifting and it is not dropping or bent. And then bang your left leg. Lift your right leg up again and then tie. You bang your left and then tie. Keep down up. So it goes right and back. Then you turn to the other side. Then back. Then again front, bang, bang and back. Okay, with the hands now. Hold your Katka. So it goes with your footwork. Tai, You again, you reach up and then open. You reach up and then open. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Tie. You. Tie. 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 See to it that your shoulders are square and you're completely facing that side. Okay? It's okay if your hands don't come exactly. So just see to it that your Katakamukha is just right in front of your face. And this Katakamukha mostly happens with all of us, that we tend to, as we are turning our feet, we also tend to turn our hands and wrists. So keep this open and then back and left. Now, from there, bring it into the center. Tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, na, ha. Hope that it's clear with the 8 step. Now we'll do it in all these things. Ready? Now the 8th step in all these things. Ta, 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 tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, left side, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, thighs out, ya, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ta, ta, ka, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, side, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ta, ta, ka, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum, ta, tai, ki, ha, tai, yum, tai. Hope that you'll have understood the 5th to 8th steps of Nattadavu. It is possible that it will be difficult for you to hold the 3rd speed in correct positions and alignments. So please see to it that you work very well with your 1st speed on all the others and then go to the 3rd speed. It is always advisable to take help and corrections from a professional if you want to advance in your dance training. If you have any doubts regarding today's episode or previous episode, you can comment down below or DM me on my Instagram handle. We take up online as well as offline Bharatanatyam classes. If you are interested, you can contact me via email or DM me on my Instagram handle. The details will be in the description box. As always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. See you.